Stuck with a ZZ file and your standard archive tools won't touch it? This compression format uses the ZZIP algorithm and isn't something most people encounter daily. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through extracting these ZZ archive files. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the ZZ format fails. More on this later. A ZZ file is a compressed archive, often created using the zlib compression library or the legacy compress utility on Unix systems. Users typically encounter this file when they have downloaded data that has been compressed to save storage space or network bandwidth. The primary user intent is to extract the original files. The ZZ format is a binary data stream compressed using the Lempel-Ziv-Welch (LZW) or DEFLATE algorithm. This design prioritizes high compression ratios and speed, making it efficient for transferring or storing large datasets by reducing the overall file size, though it has been largely superseded by more modern formats like GZIP and ZIP. If installed, your preferred program for ZZ should be the WinRAR application by win.rar GmbH. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows shows only basic attributes of compressed files, so full access requires compatible software. We must confirm application compatibility. Right-click your ZZ file and choose Open With. Test WinRAR if installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That often reveals the problem. When your ZZ file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Since the ZZ format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, extracting with GZIP. Install the GZIP utility on your system from its official source. Open a terminal or command prompt and run zip-d file name to decompress the archive. The tool will extract contents to the current directory, restoring original file names and file structure as stored in the archive. Next, trying universal archive tools. Attempt to open the ZZ file with 7-zip, pzip, or WinRAR using right-click Open With or Open Archive. These multi-format extractors recognize many compression schemes and may successfully decompress ZZ files if the underlying algorithm matches a supported format like GZIP or zlib. Finally, renaming the extension. Try renaming the ZZ file to .gz or .zip and attempt extraction with standard tools. Some ZZ files are simply GZIP compressed streams with a different extension. If the rename succeeds, the file extracts normally otherwise revert and use the dedicated ZZIP utility. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.